This is the XTR AXIS, and it is a sensitivity tester for optical smoke detectors. And today we're going to be looking at what you'll receive as part of the kit. Okay, let's start with the case. It's a very robust plastic hard case, great for when you need to transport the AXIS unit. On the sides are some latches, 4 in total, to make sure that the lid and the main part of the case stay together. There's also 2 loops for any padlocks that you may want to fit perhaps during transit or perhaps in storage. When we open the case, the first thing you'll notice is that every component has its own place. Everything is seated very firmly, so there's no movement as you're transporting the AXIS unit. If we start at the center, what we have is the AXIS head unit. It has the standard handle which fits all solo access poles. The center part is the body with the user interface, and on the back is the compartments for the battery, the generator and the cartridge. The top part is the cup with the standard membrane. Inside the cup we have the outlet for the smoke. There's also 21 sensors in there for LED recognition. For when the detector goes into alarm, it recognises that the detector's gone into alarm. There's also the smoke measuring circuitry within the cup as well. The standard membrane is fitted to the product. Because it's a sensitivity tester, one of the key things is making sure that you have a good seal around the detector. For the larger detectors, we do also supply a large membrane. So you make the judgment as to what membrane size you need, just making sure that you have a good seal around the detector. If we look at the battery and the charging elements now, we have the charging cradle. We have the USB-C to C cable which plugs into the charging cradle. We have the wall power supply. And we have the battery which fits into the charging cradle. For charging on the move, we have the 12-volt charger as well. So that's all of your charging and battery components. AXIS comes supplied with 3 cartridges. These are the XES3 cartridges designed specifically for AXIS unit and for the sensitivity testing that it does. These are black in colour, so it sets them apart from the standard blue cartridges used on the XTR2. Also comes supplied with 2 generators. These are the standard XTR series generators. So there's 2 in there. We also have the user instructions as well as 2 cleaning cloths. One of the key maintenance parts of AXIS is making sure that all of the sensor circuitry inside the cup is kept clean, which is the reason why there are 2 cleaning cloths supplied with that. When you're testing using a solo AXIS pole, you may want to sort of leave the pole there in position, so you're holding it. It's the reason why we supply a pole clamp, so you can adjust the pole to the height that you need it to and clamp it in, and it takes a strain off of yourself whilst the tester is testing. So the power supply is 110 to 240 volt power supply, so it's universal. And to go with the charging elements are some accessories which allow you to plug into sockets around the world, and they simply clip into the power block.